Well, Tracy, the president is saying the end of the week is when we can expect him to make his nomination. Now, the Senate, which would be the ones to confirm a justice, they are back in session starting today, and we could know more after they meet for a Republican lunch tomorrow. But the fight on this is already shaping up. The Supreme Court now without one of its most recognizable justices.
What happens now?
Lauren, what should happen first is that we mourn the passing of Justice Ginsburg.
Senator Chris Coons talking to us about the moment of reflection that also comes with a fight ahead. The president determined to choose Ginsburg's replacement to be confirmed by a Republican-controlled Senate.
There will be a woman that we choose, and the nomination will be put forth sometime next week.
President Trump estimating Thursday or Friday. Democrats trying to put on the brakes to wait until after Inauguration Day.
What options do Democrats have?
We can appeal to the conscience of the few Republicans who have not yet made clear what their intentions are. We can fight by making the best case possible on the floor, through the press, with our home states, that this is the wrong thing to do, that this is hypocritical. But bluntly, Lauren, if the Republicans are determined to force this through, because it's a majority-run institution, they can.
That the opening comes so close to Election Day, raising comparisons to Republicans' refusal to consider President Obama's nominee Merrick Garland in March of 2016. Senator Lindsey Graham then.
If there's a Republican president in 2016 and a vacancy occurs in the last year of the first term, you can say Lindsey Graham said, let's let the next president, whoever it might be, make that nomination.
Now Senator Graham saying he will support President Trump's efforts to move forward with the nomination, blaming Democrats for rules changes and the way Kavanaugh was treated, saying you reap what you sow.
Democrats were very upset in 2016 about how things went then, and yet now Democrats are saying, wait. Is there some hypocrisy in that as well?
Let me point out a few ways in which 2016 and 2020 are different. First, we're 43 days from an election.
Senator Coons says he did want to wait in 2016, but he says that Republicans have now set a precedent that they have to live with. Now, Democrats would need 4 Republicans to join them to block this nomination before Inauguration Day. They currently have 2. Senator Pat Toomey has not weighed in on the timing of all of this, but the Republican from Pennsylvania told me in 2018 that the summer of 2020, that is when he thought that it would then become inappropriate for President Trump to make a nomination. I've reached out to his office. He has not weighed in on the timing on this yet. Live in the Montgomery County Newsroom, I'm Lauren Mayk, NBC10 News.
There'll be a lot more coming on this. Lauren, thanks.